Today, I spoke with a big Talmid Chacham in Yerushalayim who wrote an article. I hope somebody will translate it in the coming weeks, about what really was that Sephardic approach to halakha. What is the common denominator in Sephardic halakha? People have all kinds of fantastical ideas. Oh, rabbis were always lenient. They always were looking for the easy way out. And that might be true sometimes. But look, even Talmidei Chachamim like Rabbi Yosef Masas, who we know to be magnificently lenient in some places, comes time where other rabbis who were more conservative than he were lenient, and Rabbi Yosef Masas rejected those leniencies. Not for his time, not for his place, not in his community. That wasn't going to happen. And the other way around. For every Sephardic rabbi you find that is lenient, you can find 10 of them that were the exact opposite. Let's be honest, the reason we talk so much about Rabbi Yosef Masas, Rabbi Uziel, and Rabbi David Halevy is because they were special people. They weren't the rule, they were the exception to a rule. So what was the rule? This Talmid Chacham suggested the rule was the ability to be posek halachot independently, in a unique way. To be able, I'm in a community now. I know what my community needs. I don't care what a rabbi next door is going to say. I don't care what a rabbi in another country is going to say. I don't care about this slippery slope argument. I'm here to make sure that this Jewish community survives until the next Talmid Chacham who will replace me. Whatever it takes. And that's why sometimes Chachmei Sfarad, when they wrote answers to people that, well, how did you say you could do that in Yom Tov? And they didn't give reasons. Why? The reason wasn't relevant. Like I said to my shiur in the UK, Rav Uziel writes, I'm not ruling these halachot forever. I'm ruling the halachot for my place, for my time, for my community. The next Talmid Chacham who carries the baton will have to analyze and say, hey, maybe it's not fitting anymore. Maybe the spirits of the generation have changed. What Chachmei Sfarad had in common was not just their ability to not be rigid, but their ability to innovate without fear what other people were going to say about them. And that's the common denominator. It's not about an approach, it's not about a style. That was the style. The style was to be, if I could use a word, it was a very organic type of psikat halakha. These are my people. What do you want from me? I'm not dealing with rabbis in Yerushalayim. I'm not dealing with people in Los Angeles. I'm dealing with my people here. They're capable of doing things other communities can't do. We can live to a higher standard in one place. In other things, we don't feel the need to worry about it so much. It's not a problem. Those societal norms didn't creep into our community. Every Talmid Chacham in every place had this freedom to preserve their community the way they best saw fit.